I'm sure by now you've heard of Google Analytics, but if you haven't, just know that it's the most powerful free tool that you can use to monitor the activity on your website and collect data. So, what kind of data are we talking about? We're talking about the number of visits to your website, the average length of time spent on your website, the average number of pages viewed on your website, what pages those were, the time and the location of the visit, and you can even see details like exactly what devices people are using to view your website. And all that I just mentioned is just the tip of the iceberg. Knowing this type of information about your website is super important. This is how you know whether or not to focus more resources on mobile optimization, change your advertising methods, or make structural changes to your website to boost engagement. It's really hard to make educated decisions about your website without analytics. Basing decisions off real numbers can help you make calculated moves and set specific goals rather than just guessing or hoping that your tactics will work. Google Analytics can be intimidating, but even if you don't understand all the numbers that you're looking at, it's important to start tracking data now so that you can review those numbers or let someone else review them down the road. The more data you have, the more information you'll have to work with. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Analytics and sync it to your WordPress website. To start, the first thing you need to do is go to google.com/analytics. Google Analytics is free, however, you'll need to sign in with a Gmail account. Click Sign In the right-hand corner of the screen. Select Google Analytics from the menu and enter your account information. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. To add your website to your account, click Admin on the navigation menu. Under Account, click Add New Account. Here you can create an account name, website name, and enter your website's URL. You can also select your industry, country, and time zone. When you've finished all that, click Get Tracking ID at the bottom of the page. After you've agreed to the terms of service, you'll be taken to a page with your tracking ID. This page gives you a bunch of code to copy and paste into your website on each page that you want to track. But if you're using WordPress, there's an easier way to track all your pages without having to use any code at all. To do this, open up a new tab in your browser and log into your WordPress dashboard. Hover over Plugin and click Add New. Using the search tool, enter Simple Google Analytics Tracking. We're looking for the plugin by Dustin Doyle. Once installed and activated, find the plugin on your plugins page and click Settings. Now all you need to do is enter your tracking ID. So go back to your Google Analytics account and copy the tracking ID from the top of the page. It should start with UA, followed by a series of numbers. Now go back to your WordPress account to paste it into the field and click Save Tracking ID. Now your website's ready to start collecting data. When you go back to Google Analytics, you'll see the website you just added on your home screen. When you click on it, click All Website Data. This is where you'll find all the information for your website. Keep in mind that it'll take a day for any data to appear, but once it does, you're on your way to making better decisions based on the valuable data that you'll learn from your Google Analytics account.